Hey friends, Gary here. I'm an enthusiast photographer and I love taking pictures with my cameras. And as photographers, we all have these beautiful, amazing cameras and lenses. We have captured many beautiful photos taken from around the world. Unfortunately, what usually happens is all of these beautiful photos that we captured with great efforts just stay inside of our computer and don't get shared with the world. People won't really know if we already captured this beautiful waterfall or this beautiful mountain with the perfect cloud positions or this big beautiful vista with a clear blue sky. Nobody knows because all of these pictures just stayed inside our computer or our phone. Now imagine if a famous photographer like Ansel Adams or Henri Cartier-Bresson never shared their photos with the world. We would never see those iconic photos. That would be a shame. So today I want to encourage us to take more pictures, improve ourselves as photographers, capture more beautiful moments, and also to share them with people so that people can enjoy our photos, see those beautiful moments, and hopefully also feel what we feel when we take those pictures, be able to feel some emotion, and also to see a little bit of storytelling in our pictures. And in order to help you to do that, I will share some ways of how you can share your photos to the world so you can reach more people and make more positive impact using your photos. This video is sponsored by Pixpa, but more on that later. So, how are we going to share our photos? Well, in this modern digital world, we can definitely use social media such as Instagram to share our photos. I think Instagram and some social medias, they are very visual heavy. You'll see plenty of photos and videos on those social medias. But nowadays, Instagram and those other social media applications have quickly become algorithm machine, and that means they're not really designed for photographers who just want to share their pictures. Even just getting my pictures to reach my audience or even just to reach my friends and family isn't that easy anymore in these social media sites. It's all about engagement, retention, attention. Meaningful and beautiful photographs no longer have place in this kind of environment. Another thing that we can do to share our photos is just to send them directly to our friends and family using email or text messaging apps. Now, this method, although it works effectively, if I were to send a picture to you using my email right now, you will definitely receive it. I don't think this is the most organized way. There's no easy way for the viewer to see all of the pictures that we send to them in a coherent, cohesive way. They have to sort through individual emails or individual messages just to get to your pictures. Another thing that we can do, we can also print the pictures or make an album out of these printed pictures. However, if you want to share it with people who aren't living nearby, then you will have to send these pictures or this album and they might get lost or they might get damaged, and that's just not convenient. So, in my own personal opinion, I think the best way to share your photos is using a website. Unlike social media, having a website is like having your very own personal address in the internet. There's no algorithm that prefers attention-grabbing visuals, so you can just start posting your beautiful photos, your meaningful pictures. And that means you don't have to worry about things like engagement, reach, or basically just getting your pictures to your audience. You can just simply tell people, here's my website, you can visit it, and then people can start looking at the pictures on your website. However, there's one thing about website that I don't like, and that is the fact that building a website is not that easy. It requires a technical knowledge, and that's always been the main obstacle of using website to share photos. Fortunately, that's where the sponsor of today's video, Pixpa, comes in. Pixpa is an easy-to-use web builder specifically designed with creative people in mind. Pixpa lets you share your beautiful pictures on your very own website. Building a website using Pixpa is very easy. You don't need to know anything about coding. You can just use templates and then customize it to make it your own, and basically have all those visual tools that help you to create a stunning photography website. Now, there are lots of professional photographers who use Pixpa because they can easily share pictures in a beautiful website format to their clients, so that is very beneficial for them. However, I don't think Pixpa is only for professional photographers. I think Pixpa also shines for enthusiast photographer like myself, and maybe like you, who likes to share images in the web so that you can share them easily to friends and family. There are plenty of features that you can use in Pixpa. For example, an easy to set up online shop feature that I think could benefit us, enthusiast photographer, or even if you want to start earning from your photographs. Ultimately, our goal is to create positive impact by being able to share our meaningful photos with people around us, and I think Pixpa really aligns with this goal. I think it is the best tool to create a simple photography-centric website so that you can share your photos with people around you. Now I want to share to you a simple gallery website that I created using Pixpa. The goal with the website isn't to provide you with too much information. I just want people to be able to quickly look at my pictures and be able to enjoy them. However, before we start with my website, I think I just want to share to you how you should go when you want to create your very first website using Pixpa. And I think the best method is just to use a template. Choose a template that you like, that really resonates with you. I think the simpler the template is, the better, because that means you can just focus on the photos. You don't have to focus too much on the other add-on informations. And then after you choose the right template, you can choose a color palette that you like for your website so that it looks cohesive with your pictures. Yeah, anyway, now let me show you my website. So this simple gallery, as you can see, when you open the website, immediately you are greeted with my pictures on the homepage, and that's always been my goal, so that people can just access my pictures quickly without having to go through too much text or anything like that. But anyway, on top of the website, I also put my Instagram link as well as my YouTube channel link. And then you can access the menu on the top right of the website. And then we have just 4 options. Home, which is the homepage that we are right now. And then galleries. And with galleries, we have different options. I have 5 galleries right now. Some of them are for street photography, some of them are for landscape photography, some of them are for portrait, some of them are for small objects, and one other gallery is specifically for pictures taken in Indonesia, my home country. Anyway, let's go into one of the galleries so you can have better idea about what it is. So yeah, let's select my landscape photography gallery, and as you can see right away, you'll be greeted with pictures, specifically landscape or travel pictures that I've taken from around the world. We have pictures from Singapore, we have pictures from Japan, from United States, from New Zealand, from Iceland, from everywhere. Just put it right there, and it's so easy to just look at the pictures, and that's always been my goal with this website. And now let's take a look at the about page. So it's just very simple. In the about page, I just put a little bio about who I am, where I am located, and then I put a simple link of contact me button right there. So if you want to send me a message, you can use that. And then let's take a look also in the contact page. So in the contact page, you can just put in your name, your email, and then you can send me a message. And that's about it. that's my simple website, and believe it or not, I created this website in less than 60 minutes. I think because of the template choice in Pixpa is just so gorgeous. I don't really think I need to build the website from scratch. I think this is just more than enough for me as an enthusiast photographer to be able to share my pictures to people that I want. Anyway, now I want to show you how you can edit your website or create new page, that sort of stuff. So first, it's very easy. Just go to studio.pixpa.com and then select your website, and right away you'll be greeted with this look on the website. And yeah, as you can see on the left there, there's some menu with the pages that are available on your website. You can easily create a new page by going into the menu, press the plus button, and you can select if it's a new page or new gallery or link or blog. You can just choose one of them. Very easy. Now, if you want to add more pictures into one of your galleries, it's also very easy. Just press the gallery that you want. For example, right now I selected the street photography gallery. And to add picture, you just press add media on the top right and then choose images. And then you can just drag and drop the photo into this menu right here, and then it will automatically add those images into your Pixpa gallery. That easy. So as you can see, creating a website using Pixpa is very easy, it's very convenient. It really focuses on your photographs rather than, building a website using code or technicalities or putting informations into your website. I think this will be very beneficial, especially for us enthusiast photographers who want to, again, share our pictures to people around us in the most convenient way. Sounds great, right? Now, if you wanna try using Pixpa, I have some great news for you. You can check out the link on the description to get some discounts. All you need to do is just to put in the coupon code, which is EPIC. I will put it right here, and automatically it'll give you some discounts on your Pixpa plan. Once again, thank you Pixpa for sponsoring today's video, and that wraps up today's video. So that is all about how you can create a simple website using Pixpa so that you can easily share your beautiful photos, your meaningful moments to people around you, so you can create positive impact to your community. If you have any question, please comment down below, and also don't forget to support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video, subscribing to my channel down below. Thank you, and I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.